Welcome to Random Acts of Kindness. Today we have a local business that I have chosen to get free window cleaning today. It's raining, as you can see, but I don't think they're going to complain about getting the free window cleaning even though it's raining. Now this is a local business and they have some nice big windows. You see that? They remodeled from the previous store, if you want to call it that, with that wood exposed at the top of the window. You see that? I guess, excuse my French, but it's a half-ass job. But it used to have stuff in the window, and it used to be like stuff in front of the window. And now there's nothing hanging in the window except for that little sign. And they have some more windows on the other side. I think it's one or two. I'm not sure. But they look so nice when it's clean, if they had it clean. So today I'm gonna run in there, I'm gonna bless them with a free cleaning. So let's see the events that unfold for me doing this good deed. I will be documenting everything. All right, you guys, come take a look. Okay. Yeah, I just, from time to time, I try to give back, you know, especially during this time of year. I didn't get, you know, all crazy with detailing because I didn't realize there was still all that construction stuff on there. Like, I tried to wipe down most of the frames, but, you know, I just was basically just helping y'all out.
Yeah,
you know,
appreciate it. That. A little something.
No,
For the effort.
Really?
Yeah, a little tip. Thank you.
Oh man, you didn't have to.
What are your rates?
For a job like this, it depends on what you want. If it's just the outside, or if you want the inside, I usually charge about, I say about $10 for the outside, and same thing for the inside. So in and out would be $20 each time. Okay. But you don't have to have it. You can have it done like once a month, once every couple of months, however you see fit. Like if you see it getting dirty, then you can just call me and say, hey, just hit the outside. And I'll do the inside and outside of the door each time, because that's a high traffic area. But as you can see, I mean, if you wanted to go ahead with service, I would come and then I would get all this extra stuff off. You know what I mean? But you know, that's if you want to, you know, go that route. That's time consuming. Yeah. You know, cleaning windows is the easy part.
Get all that paint off on.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. But I'm just, you know, helping you out for the day. All right. What's your name? Al. I'm Marcus. I'd shake your hand, but this Corona thing going on. Yeah. All right. Take care. I do houses too, so, you know, it's something to think about as well. All right. We are finished. Look, he gave me $10. So, as you seen from the video, he gave me money anyway. I didn't want it. That wasn't the objective here. But you see, for every action, there's a reaction. You see, scared money don't make no money. So if you think you want to just keep on being selfish and being a pig in life, you know, you will never get blessed. You know, even if you wanted to, you know, make yourself known. If you go out and do something for somebody, they will never, ever forget that. You see, if I came in there trying to sell a job, I noticed that you have your windows are dirty and you got construction dust all over. What turned out just to be a regular general cleaning, I ended up scraping the glass and wiping the frames down because it was just nasty in there. And he came up and was like pointing stuff out, and I said, yeah, well, I didn't get too crazy because I was just trying to help you out. You know, if you wanted to think about, you know, after we discussed, he wanted to know my price. I wasn't even trying to upsell on that job. But you see, doing a good deed, you get that anyway. Not only did I get paid, now he's interested in having me come back again and get the rest of the stuff off that I didn't get off. You see, now it looks good to him. So it was like a reminder, like, damn, I need this guy to come back. He did a fantastic job. I'm going to pay him. You feel me? I'm not saying that, but this is how I started out. So, you know, never think that it's always got to be about money. You know, money is there. It's going to come. You know what I mean? Where's your head at? You know what I mean? Do you want to be a pig in life? Are you trying to get rich off of windows? I got news. I got to break it to you, man. You will never get rich off of that. If you just an owner and operator, you will never get rich off of that. It depends on how hungry you are. But keep in mind, all that stuff comes with a cost. And if you're not prepared to do that, you see, not everybody is prepared to do that. They may have the potential to do it, but they're not prepared to do that. And not only that, they can't handle the organization and the stress that comes behind running a multi-million-dollar business, if that's what you choose to do. Like broadening your horizons, want to think about franchising, what you have, your brand. All of this is possible. It depends on you. What do you want to do? You just starting out? Hey, I just gave you an idea. I'm not saying that every person's going to want to bless you, but they can't help not to. You know what I mean? It would be selfish of them not to, but that's not what your mentality should be. You should go out there, giving your card, showing them what you could do and say, this is free on me. Give them a first cleaning. I guarantee you will most likely 90% of the time get that job. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one of Random Acts of Kindness.